Hey everyone, it's Amy here, and welcome to my Jiuzhaigou National Park travel vlog. Spring is the perfect time to visit this stunning destination, with the weather just right and the flowers blooming. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about planning your trip to Jiuzhaigou. So, first things first, let's talk about how to get here. There are flights from major cities in China to Jiuzhaigou Airport, and then you can take a shuttle bus to the park entrance. If you prefer a more scenic route, you can also take a train to Chengdu, and then take a bus or hire a car to the park. Once you arrive, be sure to wear comfortable shoes because you'll be doing a lot of walking. The park is huge, and there are so many amazing trails to explore. Some of the most popular trails include Five Color Pond, Long Lake, and Panda Lake. Oh, and don't forget to check out the waterfalls. They're truly breathtaking and perfect for some amazing photos. And after a day of exploring, you must try the local cuisine. Jiuzhaigou is famous for its hot pot, and there are many restaurants in the area serving up delicious hot pot dishes. Trust me, it's the perfect way to warm up after a long day of hiking. If you have time, be sure to catch one of the cultural performances that are put on daily in the park. It's a great way to learn more about the local Tibetan culture and customs. And last but not least, make sure to catch the sunset at the park. The colors of the sky and the mountains are just incredible, and it's the perfect way to end your day. So there you have it, my Jiuzhaigou National Park travel vlog. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your own trip to this beautiful destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one.